this video, I'll be making a $400 3D animation video for client. I will show my complete workflow, decision, and how this animation was built from start to finish. Let's get a start. So this is the script. Here client mention all the necessary details like the animation, how the animation should look, and the duration is 30 seconds. No voiceover, no text, simple icon, understandable without audio. So our main focus is to make the animation simple and visually engageable. So after seeing the script, I wanted to give the client more better experience with the storyboard. So I make a image based storyboard with helping AI. I use ChatGPT for it. So this is the storyboard I sent to client. Here on the first scene, a farm, agricultural field, and then this is the disease, fungus effect, and then a microscopic view of the plant, and this is frames 4 maybe, where after the drop touch the leaf is going, and this is the split screen where you can see in the left side the affected one and the right side the healthy one after applying our product, and this is our product. So after finalizing the concept, I move forward. First we need to arrange all the models, and there is two major model. One is the product and another one is the plant, because I wanted to show a specific plant like tomato or any other, and I chose the tomato one. So for modeling the product, I use AI. AI is helping a lot. I use Hyper 3D AI. Hyper 3D. I just drop the product image. Here is the product image. So I just upload it on the Hyper 3D AI. Click on generate. Then it's loaded. It takes some time. So the texture is basically the level. I have the PSD file, so I export the level from Photoshop, then import it to the Blender. Yeah, it's done. So here you can see the result. This is really good, but when I download it will be less qualityful because of the subscription. So I need to confirm, and I select the quad mesh to confirm. So after downloading the model, go to Blender, import FBX, and here is the OBJ file. So this is the model I get from the AI, really good. I need to apply the subdivision. Subdivision surface, check the normal. Yes, normal in good. Check the material. So there is no material. So for the label, I am going to make the shape of the label. So product modeling is done. Now it's time for the plant. So for the plant, I want to buy it from CG Trader. So I go CG Trader and I search tomato plant. I really like this one. Look at the texture quality. This is very high quality and the price is reasonable, so I buy it. Alright, now models are ready. It's time for the main part, animation. Let's get into the animation workflow. So now we open new Blender file. So guess our first is deleting the default cube. Delete. And we have to make the ground for the from. Shift at plane and make the size bigger, like this, and also scale along the Y. Yep. Control A, apply the scale. Then we need to add few loop cut. As subdivide. Yeah. Think once more, subdivide. And then go to modifier, add displace deform, displace modifier. Cloud. Then decrease the strength. Also this give the size, increase the size. Yeah. Strength a little. Yeah. Enable. I'm going to speed up the process, so let's enjoy it. Basically, I already did the animation part. I just record it after finishing the animation. So I want to show the process. The process is same as I shown. Now I break down my file. Here this is the first scene where I add displacement on the ground, then subdivision is for render only, then particle. First particle is the all foreground and background plant, and then the second one is the leaves on the ground. I add only into this part because other part are not shown on the camera, so it will save the PC power. Here this is for the plant and this is for the drop mean leaves and the branches. Then I also need to animate it like the wind flow to the leaves. For this I make some low poly plant. Here you can see I delete the subdivision from them because it will not get highlighted on the scene. I add 2 to 3 main plant for the animation, then all the plant in background. So I add a shape key and animate it, see here, so that it show like it's floating on the air. See, that's it. Then the camera slowly zoom and is focus on one leaf. Then on the leaf we show the for lighting I only use HDRI, also has sunlight here. Let me show you. Here is the sunlight. Here you can see. I also add a fog layer here. If I remove this, it will not look that much depth. So for the better contrast, I add this fog layer. This is the fog layer shader, simple fog volume, principal volume. Yep, this is the first scene where camera zooms in and it go inside. Then second scene. This is our second scene where we show the drop. You can see drop place. Then we go. Now we go inside the plant. And then third one. Now this is the third one where we go plant surface, leaf surface to microscopic level on the cross section of the leaf. Here you can see smooth transition between this and drop here. So here I add a hero cell which I make another file for this so that I can easily modify it after rendering. I make at one time, but then I separate it, like you can see third layer and the third top. This is the same file, but here I hold out all the asset except the main cell. On render you can see only the cell is showing, and the drop is showing. Also I download this geometry effect node from YouTube. Yep, then is grow. File open, don't save. Then this is the protective shield. Here you can see the protective shield. Fungus trying to spread, but it bounce off, and the protective shield affair because of the drop of the product. There you can see this is the shield layer, and here is the shade editor for the shield. You can find the shield layer on Blender kit. If you charge the energy shield, you can see it. Then another important part is glowing plant. For this I already made it. Let me show. This is the fourth file. I also make two file for this. One is this, zoom out from the leaf to the entire plant, and then file open only the line glowing effect. Here you can see line glow. If I go into render mode, here you can see the line effect, and it is reach all the plant from the leaves to all the plant. Yeah, let me show you the geometry node setup. Here you can see the geometry node setup. After the rendering, now I arrange all the scenes on Premiere Pro. Let me show you. Here the first screen, then this is the second screen where drop it is spray product, our product in a spray. Then we go inside the plant, see the plant cross section, and this is the hero cell. As I told you, I separate it. Here you can see this is the separate layer. I can control it on off. And now drop touch the cell. So when I touch, you can see the background is become more dark. So viewers can easily focus on the cell. And this is the scene of glowing. The glow is penetrate from leaf to the whole plant. And now this is the protective layer. Here the fungus trying to spread, but it's bounce off. By this line I mean it is bounce off because of the shield. This is the spirit. This is the affected plant, and on the right side this is the healthy plant. And this is product shot. So this is the animation. I hope you all like this, and let's enjoy full animation. So yeah, this is the final result. I tried to keep everything real, showing how I actually work on a client project. If you enjoyed the video or learned something useful, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.